I'm Sally Pointer. It's only been 3 months since I introduced you to my new book on null binding. New books are apparently like buses, they come along all at once, and we've got another one for you. I'm really pleased to be able to introduce Line Bast, Harvest, Preparation and Use. This book is a collaboration between myself and Chis Harwood from Frogwood Coppice Products. What is lime bast, I hear you say? Well, lime bast is the inner bark of the tilia tree. Sometimes it's called linden, sometimes it's called basswood. And when it's retted, which is a controlled rotting process, you get these lovely, flexible, almost raffia-like ribbons, which can be turned into fantastic cordage. They can be turned into basketry. They can be woven into mats, many other things beside. Now, this book is a complete exploration of this, using everything that we've learnt over several years of working with this amazing tree. We explore the archaeology, we explore some of the things that people have made with it over the years. We talk in detail about harvesting, we talk about the biology of the tree, and we have a number of projects to get you started with this amazing Bast journey. We've even got gallery pages which showcase projects that have been made by friends and clients of ours, all of which will give you a little bit of inspiration in starting your own Bast journey. Now, this was the proof copy, and there are one or two cover glitches that we've sorted out, so please ignore those. The printer that we've gone with is a print on demand service, and we've chosen them because they've got partners not only in the UK but in places like the US and Australia as well. So if you do choose to order this book, it will be printed and posted specially for you. Hopefully that means much faster turnaround and not waiting so long to get your copy. Have a look at the description. I will put all the information that you need to order it in there. Thank you all so much for your interest in this project, and happy crafting.